Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as we're nearing the end of the year 2022, today, December the 29th, we already have hints within Microsoft of a little bit of changes and the scheduling of the famous moments. So what we had expected is that moments would happen every 3 months or every quarter roughly, and have 4 moments next year. And already, first, I had mentioned that it was interesting because Moment 2 had been scheduled for January at first. Then we heard last week that it was scheduled now for February or March, which already hinted that it's taking maybe a little longer than usual. Now, documents from Microsoft that, of course, show the scheduling of moments through, of course, Windows updates will have, the moments come through cumulative updates here. Well, it is interesting because we're learning that now only 3 moments are scheduled next year rather than 4. And this is interesting because it reminds me of Windows 10 scheduling at the beginning of the, updates, when they were saying that we would have 2 updates a year and even 3. And they really had a hard time. Even in the first couple of years, there was a year that was only 1 update, which was, I believe, the year after the release of Windows 10, which we had what we called the anniversary update, and which was the only update that year. And it kind of already showed us that, updating at a crazy schedule pace and trying to have everything ready isn't as easy as it looks. And now I think we're seeing the same thing and the same mistakes, basically, that Microsoft made in the past, thinking they could release more than they are actually capable of. So will we have 3? How about something happens and maybe we have only 2? That's going to be kind of interesting to see. But now the moments for next year are supposed to be only 3, and the next one might be only in March. So we'll have to wait a little more to get some of these new features coming up with Moment 2, 3, and 4 that are scheduled for 2023. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.